Klencin Topical Lotion 1%. Each ml contains clindamycin phosphate. Description: clindamycin phosphate is the ester of clindamycin or 7-chlorolincomycin, a semi-synthetic antibiotic. Clindamycin has been shown to have in vitro activity against isolates of Propionibacterium acnes. This may account for its usefulness in acne depending on the sensitivity of the microorganism and the concentration of the antibiotics. Clindamycin can be either. Clindamycin has no fungal activity. The in vitro inactive clindamycin phosphate is hydrolyzed by phosphatases of the skin to active clindamycin base. Clindamycin activity has been demonstrated